You can tie it to what? Environmental concerns. You can tie it to demand pool inflation. Good. Inflation. You can tie it to income disparity. Is it relevant? Yes, it's relevant because now we have new tags for these things. Inclusive growth, sustainable growth. They are compromised. We'll also talk about these two today. Alright, demand pool inflation, of course, is bad. Can higher unemployment rate be good? Is it possible that you can benefit from higher unemployment rate? Okay, I'll tell you how it can be good. It can be good because you may have, let's say unemployment rate goes up, okay? This is where number of unemployed over the size of the labor force. Okay. When discouraged workers rejoin the workforce. When you have discouraged workers, meaning those who have lost hope, were not looking for a job, despite being able to work, they have lost hope. But now, when they rejoin the workforce, presumably due to better economic prospects, they are going to add on to unemployment rate. But it's a good outcome, you know, because they will add on to your productive capacity. Rather, they come back and look for a job than not work and then just wait for welfare. Yes. Yes. It goes up because let's say this is 20 over 100, for example. And then you have 5 discouraged workers joining the workforce. They are still unemployed, so it's 25. But they are part of your labor force, so it's 105. This will be higher than 20%. So unemployment rate going up in this case is a benign development. Have you heard of discouraged workers? No. Correct. So they are part of the numerator and the denominator. They haven't found a job. This was what happened when Donald Trump was elected. A lot of the discouraged workers went back to look for a job. Unemployment rate went up. But then the view is it's not a source of concern because it's due to this phenomenon. Yes. They lost hope. Previously, they probably tried applying for a job for 3 years, nothing came through the post. So they were discouraged. They stopped looking for a job. When they stop looking for a job, your productive capacity will drop. Second, you give up more welfare. So you rather they come back. This is one way to look at an alternative perspective.
Countries that running for example, like automatic stabilizers come into play, like improve income inequalities, like because when discouraged workers get unemployed, right?
Yes.
They will have low income levels, and then
low income levels.
we may receive more payouts.
Yes.
So there's not inclusive growth.
That will be an incidental outcome. If they have a job and they earn more and then they are able to propel themselves upwards, I think that will be better. Limited strain on government budget. But I think this will be new to some of you, right? Discouraged workers. This term has been thrown around before, just in case they pull out the extract. Is this out the syllabus? Is this part you can say, hey, we never learned this. But if you think of this, we knew this. If you add 5 here, you add 5 here, clearly the number will go up. 5 is a bigger proportion of the numerator. Okay? More questions? So I'm trying to show you alternative perspectives, all right? Inflation, deflation. I think whether it's good or bad, okay, depends a lot on the root cause. For example, inflation due to cost push reasons will be worse than inflation due to demand pull. Likewise, deflation. If deflation is due to your lower AD, it's bad. If deflation is due to lower cost of production, it's good. We like it. I think this one you are familiar. If a BOP surplus was because there's lower M, may not be good. Because lower M means you have lower material standards. If your BOP surplus is because of lower FDI, likewise may not be good because in the long run, you get less income inflows. So I'm going to put this here, see whether you have any questions.